Hello, everyone, and welcome. So, in today's class, we're going to be learning the most known greetings in German language. What are the most known greetings in German language? In order for you to acquaint yourself with the Germans, you need to know these greetings. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Hallo, hallo. The H sound is not pronounced. Rather, it's pronounced as a lo. H is not pronounced in the word hello. A lo. Alo means hello. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. This means good morning. Probably you meet someone in the morning. You say, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Guten Tag. Guten Tag means good day, but mostly it's used as good afternoon. It's mostly used as good afternoon. Guten Tag, good day, good day. Guten Tag. Guten Nachmittag, guten Nachmittag. This is known as good afternoon, but mostly the Germans use Guten Tag in the afternoon instead of Guten Nachmittag. Guten Abend. Guten Abend. It means good evening. Good evening. Guten Abend. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. It means goodbye. Goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen. Now, Auf Wiedersehen is used in a formal setting, probably at workplace, your colleague at work. You say Auf Wiedersehen, goodbye. Someone you're not familiar with, you say Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss. Tschüss. Tschüss is used in an informal setting for family members, friends, people you are familiar with. You say tschüss, goodbye, or bye. Tschüss, more of an informal setting. Bis morgen. Bis morgen means see you tomorrow. Probably you want to part ways with your friends, your colleague, your boss. You say bis morgen, see you tomorrow. Bis morgen. Bis bite. Bis bite. Bis bite means see you soon. Bis bite. Bis bite. Probably you met someone and you're yet to meet the person again. You say bis bite. See you soon. Bis bite. Bis später. Bis später. It means see you later. See you later. Bis später. Bitte. Bitte. Bitte means please or you're welcome. Bitte. Please. Bitte. You're welcome. So bitte means please or welcome. Freut mich. Freut mich. It means nice to meet you. Probably you met someone for the first time and you introduce yourself to the person, you got acquainted with the person, and you be like, so nice to meet you. You say, freut mich. Freut mich. Alles gut zum Geburtstag. Alles gut zum Geburtstag. It means happy birthday. Happy birthday. Viel Glück. Viel Glück. Viel Glück means good luck. Wishing you good luck. Viel Glück. Wishing you good luck in your exams. See, viel Glück. Wishing you good luck in your interview. You say, you be like, viel Glück. Wishing you good luck in all you do. You say to the person, viel Glück. Viel Glück. Viel Glück. Frohe Weihnacht. Frohe Weihnacht. Now, Frohe Weihnacht means Merry Xmas. Frohe Weihnacht. Frohe Weihnacht. It means Merry Xmas. Frau Weiner, Frau Weiner. Frohes Neues Jahr. Frohes Neues Jahr. It means Happy New Year. Frohes Neues Jahr. Happy New Year. Frohes Neues Jahr. Frohes Neues Jahr. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, friends. Frohes Neues Jahr. Frohes Neues Jahr. Frohes Neues Jahr. Frohes Fest. Frohes Fest. It means Happy Holidays. Happy Holidays. Frohes Fest. Frohes Fest. Happy Holidays. Happy Holidays. Happy Holidays. Frohes Fest. Frohes Fest. Frosten. Frosten. Happy Easter. Frosten. Happy Easter. Happy Easter, everyone. Happy Easter, everyone. Frosten. 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 Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht means good night. It's more of a wish. Gute Nacht. Probably you want to part ways with someone at the night, you say Gute Nacht. Or you want to go to bed, it's bedtime, you say Gute Nacht. Good night. Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. For more German lessons, like and subscribe for more. I can't wait to see you in our next class. See you next time. Bis bald. Tschüss.